Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A6 and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass FRP on this device. So, now I'll show you that my Galaxy A6 is blocked by FRP. As you can see, an unauthorized attempt has been made, so my device is blocked. So first you need to do is not to connect to the Wi-Fi network and not to connect to the mobile internet. Okay, so if you have connected, you need to take out the cards, the SIM card, or disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, or you need to hard reset your device by recovery. Then you need to go back to the home screen and open our website. So open our website HardReset.Info and find here your device. Now we have no instruction for this device on our website, but we will add it after a while. So now I'll use the instruction for Galaxy A14. So Galaxy A14. Open your device, scroll down, find here bypass Google verification, and here you will see the instruction for your device. So why we need this instruction? Only because we need to install. You can open any other. You can open Galaxy A6 device on our website. Okay, so I have just opened Galaxy A14 because here we have two apps: Samsung drivers and some FRP bypass tool. So firstly, you need to disable the Windows Guard, Windows Defender. So open settings, update and security, Windows security, open Windows security, find virus and threat protection, scroll down, disable virus and threat protection. I have disabled, and open and add your downloads folder to the exclusions. So scroll down, click find virus and threat protection, find manage settings, scroll down again, find here exclusions, click add or remove exclusion. So as you can see, I have in exclusions folders. So now we need to open our downloads folder. I will remove it because I want to show you how to do it. And now in your downloads folder, create a new folder with the name of, I don't know, virus exclusion. Open this folder and now you can close it. Wait. Click add an exclusion on your Windows Defender, click folder, find your virus exclusions folder here and click select file. Great. Now go back, close the settings of your device, and now just download the Samsung drivers and download from the Mega Drive. This file you are trying to download is no longer available. I need to try it again. Okay, now it's available. So great. Click download. Wait a while. And great. Now open downloads, find your FRP bypass tool and move it to virus exclusion folder and unpack this application. Great. Now go back and now you need to install Samsung USB driver. This is the normal program. You can't make the bypass FRP if you have the latest drivers on your device for your device. So first you need to download these drivers, install it, reboot your PC, and then just open your virus exclusion folder, find your Samsung FRP bypass tool, click on your some FWD tool, click with right button, run as administrator, wait a while, downloading this software and you may run the risk. Okay, click yes. Close the opened website, it's not our website. So click on, and as you can see, this some FRP tool is opened. So now we just need to connect our Samsung device with USB cable to PC. Connect it, and then you will see if you have properly installed the drivers. Here you will see the Galaxy A6 autoplay window. So if this window has popped up, so alright, we can continue because you have Samsung drivers, and we can bypass FRP if we have the Samsung drivers. So great. Now click emergency call and click *#06 *#. Oh, so sorry, not 06, but *#0 *#. And we have opened the test mode. And now we just need to click remove FRP button. We need to choose Samsung here and click remove FRP button. So click remove FRP and just wait a while. Just wait. As you can see, FRP status locked. Click already open test mode. Wait a while again. Send command, error. So wait a while. Port COM16 doesn't exist. So I will reconnect my Samsung device to the other USB charging port, to the other USB port in my PC, and I'll click remove FRP again. Okay, no device selected. So maybe my drivers are crashed. It's not good, because maybe I will need to reboot my device, but I will try again. I have reconnected my device to my PC, and now I will reboot my Samsung FRP tool. Why I can't do it? Maybe I need to disable Windows security. Virus security automatic. Remove all, disable all. Current rate virus protection updates. Ransomware protection. So I'll try again. Maybe you have no this problem, but if you have, so now I'm showing how to maintenance all problems. Great, how to resolve. So click run as admin, some FRP tool exe. I'll try to download again. I will try to do it again. Wait a while. Maybe now all will be good. So I will open it with the normal, with the WinRAR, without unpacking. So I'll try to do it now. Remove FRP. Wait a while. Okay, great. Now click always allow from this computer. Click allow. Wait a while. Let's go. So now all is good. So don't touch your device. Wait a while. As you can see, now we have removing process. So great. Okay. So all right. All is good, but I don't know what happens. Why I have not deleted FRP from my device first time. So I don't know what the problem was. But as you can see, trouble sometimes happens, no? So now we can, what are you want? No, I don't want, man. Click on the cross on the right up corner, go back to our website. So now disconnect your smartphone from the PC, and now as you can see we have unlocked Samsung device, and now we can use this smartphone and all is okay. So now just wait for a while, your device needs to think a while. So all services are running right now, and then we will just need to factory reset our device using settings application. So to set up it normally in normal mode, so open menu, settings, scroll down, find general management, reset, and factory data reset, do it all, and great. So that's it. As you can see, you can do it in 5 minutes. So I have described how to do it and how to troubleshoot during the factory reset bypass FRP process, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave the comment under this video. Bye, see you.